This little joker, auto broker, and today we are going to talk about how to deal with the bank or the financial institution if you're behind on your car payment. Let's get started. Auto delinquencies in the U.S. are at an all-time high. The word around the campfire is they're doing up to 20,000 repossessions a day. Think about that. The repossession companies are so busy that the major finance companies, the multi-billion-dollar ones, are paying more money to have their cars repossessed first. That just gives you an idea of how bad things are, how upside down people are with their vehicles, how behind people are on their payments. But I'm going to explain to you how that you can keep your vehicle by communicating properly to your car lot or to your financial institution. Anytime you finance a vehicle, you either finance it through the car lot or you do the deal at the car lot and then you pay that lender directly every single month for your car payment. Now, in both these situations, it is paramount that you have excellent communication with whatever lending institution that you're making your car payment to. You want to call them, be polite, and explain to them your situation. Now, the thing that you have to keep in mind here is when people don't communicate with the lender, that stays on your credit report for 7 years. Now, if you're not able to make your car payment at all, the best thing to do, as soon as you know that you're not able to make that payment, you want to call the financial lender and say, hey, this is such and such with such and such car. I am not going to be able to make my payment on the 29th of this month. However, I can make a full payment on the 7th of next month. They like communication, so it is very important to call them, communicate with them, let them know where you are. And while you're at it, don't spend money on things that you do not need. There's an old saying in the buy here, pay here business. That is, the quickest way to get back on your feet is to miss your next car payment. It's Little Joker, Auto Broker, and please don't forget to watch the first part if you're upside down on your car. Please like, subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, put them in the box below. And until next time, this is Little Joker, Auto Broker.